guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to present you one of my most favorite high heels, which are from Louboutin, and the name of my high heels is New Very Privé. I've gotten them like a few weeks ago, and they became my all-time favorite high heels. I will show them to you. So they came in this typical Louboutin box. And those are the shoes, guys. I will take one out and I will show them to you. So this shoe, guys, as you can see, it's in a beautiful black patent leather. I am in love with this patent wet look. I think it looks so sexy and elegant. I mean, it's a little bit more fancier, I think, than normal leather. And yeah, guys, I will show you this shoe all around. This is from the front. As you can see here, you have the Louboutin logo, this beautiful beige color sole, and these inner colors are so beautifully made. Also, the beautiful red sole is a eye catcher. I am in love with it. Also, I put a protection on it. I don't think you can see it because it's very clear, but it's so good for when I'm walking in them, so the sole doesn't get damaged. I think it's a beautiful thing to do, especially with Louboutin shoes, but actually with any kind of high heel. So yeah, guys, this is from the side. I've gotten them in 12 centimeters, but I think you can also find them in 10. So yeah, I thought that I rather like my high heels to be a little bit higher. So yeah, what I really like about this shoe is that they have this beautiful platform here, which looks so elegant, so sexy, and also it gives you so much comfort while walking. I mean, really, guys, this platform right here, as you can see, it's not very high, so it still looks very elegant, but this platform, guys, really gives you so much stability and comfort. I could walk in those shoes like 1,000 miles. It's really a game changer, especially for that high heels. So yeah, guys, this is a beautiful Louboutin shoe. It's one of my favorite. I've paid 800 euros for it. So this is, I think, a typical Louboutin price. It's not like super high, but this is like a iconic classic shoe also. I mean, I would say that this is a classic shoe, not a very like special one or special edition one, but with this one you cannot do anything wrong, especially with the black coloring, guys, in this beautiful patent leather. It is such an eye catcher. Also, what is very special about this shoe is that it's open here at the front, so you can see your red painted toe. I think this gives the shoe like much more sexiness and much more elegancy. I am really amazed by it. And what I also like to say about this shoe is that you don't really have to style it in an elegant way. You can also style it like so casually, maybe with some blue jeans or black jeans. Also, you can style it with like black leggings, as I do, if you just want to go out and have dinner. Or you can really style it with a beautiful dress. Like, this shoe really goes with every occasion and every outfit. Today I did like a little bit more of party outfit, so I will show you how this shoe looks like on me. So guys, this is the shoe on me. I really like to wear like red nails while I am wearing this shoe. This is the view from the side. I think it's very beautiful and so elegant. Also from the side, it makes like a really nice side view. This is the view from the back. Also, I will show you this beautiful red sole. I think it's a beautiful eye catcher, guys. And also, all in all, this shoe really makes your silhouette so nice and sexy and elegant. And I think you can walk in them really well. I think the comfy level of this shoe, guys, is like 100 out of 100. I could walk in them so long. It's one of my most favorite shoe. So yeah, guys, this is a beautiful Louboutin shoe. So guys, this was my video about my beautiful Louboutin high heels. And if you liked it as much as I did, please like my video, comment it, and subscribe to my channel.